Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and enjoying the Christmas season. Today I'm making this Christmas tree ornament, this wooden Christmas tree ornament. So I just got a wooden slice and I'm right now drawing out my outlines using a colored pencil and just making it dark enough to where I can see it, but in a little bit I will erase it to where I can to where whenever I paint you can't see the lines through it. So right now, just since it's a colored pencil, you don't want to do it too dark because it's hard to erase colored pencil. But once you're finished with your drawing, go ahead and erase it a little bit and start painting. I am using Arteza gouache. I chose gouache over acrylic paint because I wanted to be able to see the wooden texture through it. And with gouache, you can water it down quite a bit and you would be able to see that texture through it. So that's what I did. I added a lot of water and just applied it kind of like watercolor. I think I had to do 3 layers on each part, maybe in some parts maybe even 4. But right now I'm just going through and adding the color that I like, putting it wherever I feel I need it, and then I will go over it again and again to get the texture and the colors how I like them. Anyone can do this. It's very simple, and if you enjoy decorating, making your own decorations, this is something that's simple to do. So don't be afraid to try it. So now you can see that I'm starting to build up my second layer and add in like different shades of green. So I'm adding in some darker shades, some more yellow shades, some more blue shades, and I'm extending the tree a little bit here. You can see I've added some more tiny bits of, I guess, leaves from the tree, because I thought that would look better. And then here I am coloring in the star. I think I had to go over it like 4 times or something to get it dark enough. But here I am adding some highlights and just trying to add some different textures and interest to the tree, so it's not just flat color. This was a very easy thing to do. I think I finished it within like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours. So it did not take very long for me to do this. The longest part was really just waiting for it to dry. But so this is something that anybody could do. Just, yeah, just try it and see how you like it. Don't be scared. And right now it's hanging on my tree, so I really love how it turned out. This background is what took the most time. I couldn't apply the blue without wetting down the wood first. So I had to go in with a lot of water, which caused the crack from the top left to split like, I don't even know. I would say like 75% of that wood is split because of the water. But it's okay because it ended up, as soon as it dried, it ended up like going kind of back together. I didn't have to do anything to it, and it's hanging on my tree right now. It's fine. But here I am just finishing my outlines, and then once I finish adding all the details that I like, I will finish up the background, and then I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna put some spray sealant on it. I have to do a spray because I am using gouache, which is reactivated by water. So I'll use the Krylon spray to seal it up, and then I add in a ribbon, like Christmas ribbon, through the hole, through the top, and tie it off, and then it's finished. And I really like how it turned out. So I added the ribbon, and here you can see the crack goes down pretty far, but it's okay. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.